Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So today's crate kit for August is obviously Halloween themed. One of my favourite types of crafting, and I absolutely love this collection. It's been so much fun, and I haven't stopped making with it. So we'll quickly go through the sets and then I'll show you what I've been making. So the stitching die is this Trick or Treat. That's the dice. Then you've got the large die of the month. So that's 2 sets of dies in there. Then we have the small die of the month. So that's all of those in there. Then the 2 club, the crate exclusives. You've got the Scaredy Cat, and then you've got the Make a Monster. You've got your stamps and your coordinating dies. You've got your 5-piece stencil. The Better Press is this, but what I like is you get an extra little ghosty die with it as well. That's that. And then you've got the 2D embossing folder, and then the 3D is this split one. Okay, so obviously I've been making these little treat boxes, and then on this one, when you open it up, you've got some more googly eyes on the inside. As usual, if anyone wants a tutorial, let me know. So you've got those 3, so they're quite cute. That's the monster. I've just used some grass for his hair. You get all the circles and the teeth, his nose, etc. in that extra die set, and then for the eyelids I just cut a circle in half. Obviously you got the stitching, slippers which were out previously, but all the rest is what's included in this month's kit. Let's move those out the way for a second. Then we'll go through some of the cards. So that's the large die, that's a small die. The only other set I bought in for that was this one, which was a tiered tray. It's been out quite a while now, so that was what I used to put those in. That's the crate exclusive. That's the Scaredy Cat. That's the stencil, and then I've just used the little die from the Better Press, and that tiny little pumpkin is from the small die. That's him if you Better Press him. Also you get black ink for your Better Press this month, so that's that one. Then I had to make some extra bits and pieces, so I've used, is it Chompster, I think his name is. So I've used him. I did the embossing folder in white and then just swiped over with the black ink, and these are from the small die of the month. These were out quite a while ago, so I'll try and link those in the comments. Then I had to make one with the Wrapped in Care. I thought she looked cute, getting ready for a Halloween party. And then people asked for a tutorial on the tree for last month's, and I've only just got round to doing them, so I'm sorry I'm behind with my tutorials, but I have made it into a Halloween tree, and I will post the tutorial after this video, so you can use it that way or the Christmas way. So that's those. Then I made this little gift bag, so that stands up, Trick or Treat, with the bits and pieces in the top. Then we've got a little bit of home decor. So this is just a plastic cauldron, and I stuck the ghosts on some acetate and then just hot glued them in the bottom, and then obviously stuck the Trick or Treat on there. That's that one. And then I made this bag. So you've got the large die. That's one of the stamps, and then I've just added, oh it fell off. Just added some little charms, and then I just made a little bag topper with the cat, and then I made this cute little box. can put sweeties in, whatever. That's just a pipe cleaner, just wrapped around a pencil, but I thought he looked quite cute. So that's that one. And then the last one that I've done, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this in here. So I made this into, I'll put a picture up at the end because it's a bit too big to have under this camera. But I've made a box, put some foam in it, and I thought it just a nice piece of home decor. So made the bow, obviously the dies. These are all sort of plastic leaves and bits and pieces. Glued the eyes on and the ghosts, etc. Yeah, and that's what I've been creating. So there you go. This is August's crate kit. I hope you love it as much as I do, and I'll see you again soon.